Do you want a good performing, sleek looking yet affordable gaming monitor? Well, look no further because Dahua has you covered with the new Dahua E200A series gaming monitor. This comes in 24 and 27 inches, and for this unboxing we have the 27 inch. This monitor is available for purchase on the Happy Work Facebook page. Opening the monitor, you get a wall mount adapter, the base, the stand, the manual, including the screws, a DP cable, a 12-volt power adapter, and the monitor itself. The monitor rocks an all-black design. It has a slim bezel that makes your setup look modern. It has a display port and HDMI output, and an audio jack. The stand has a metal build to ensure durability. Turning on the monitor, you can see the red accents below the monitor. It has a V8 display with a full HD resolution of 1080p, and it has a refresh rate of up to 165Hz. The colors have a higher contrast thanks to its 4000:1 contrast ratio, and the monitor has an anti-glare panel surface, so it won't have a lot of reflection. There are some features you can do with the monitor, such as customizing its color settings. You can even have color settings for specific game genres like FPS and MOBA games. There's also a read color setting that doesn't strain your eyes. It also has an adaptive sync feature which helps the monitor adapt to the FPS of the game. Gaming on this beast of a monitor is such a blast. 1080p resolution combined with 165Hz of gaming helps you become more agile. This monitor was tested with games such as CSGO, God of War, and OSU. The view of the monitor is really superb, although the vibrance of the monitor was not caught properly by the camera. Moreover, the large display is great for multitasking. Overall, this is a great monitor for gaming, working, and overall computer use. It's affordable and can be bought from our Facebook page. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.